welcome to Home Sweet Homeschool. If you're new here, my name is Ashley and I'm a homeschooling mom to one. And today's video is the third in the series of the Show and Tell collab hosted by Jessica from the Waldock Way and Abby from Rooted in Rest. And this month for October, we are going to talk about 5 tips for a successful homeschool day. So, if you want to participate in this collab, it is open for the entire month, so you can make your video and then you can share it in the playlist. So the playlist and the directions for the collaboration will be linked down below in the description box. So, here are my 5 tips for a successful homeschool day, and they're pretty simple. Tip number 1 is to have a positive attitude. If you start your day off on a positive note and you spread positivity throughout your house, it is bound to trickle down to everyone else. You want to be positive, you want to be excited. And I know you don't all wake up positive and excited. I'm the same way. Some mornings I wake up and I'm just like, ugh. But if you will change that attitude and you will approach things in a more positive way and you will be pumped, your kids will feel the same way. Now, I'm not excited about teaching grammar or rocks and minerals. I mean, there's tons of things I don't get excited about, but I try to pump myself up and make it sound like it's the most exciting stuff in the world, because if you're excited and you're positive, that will go over into your kids' lives as well. And I can't remember where I heard it, but someone talked about how we control the weather in our house. And so if we want to have sunny weather, then we have to bring that. If we notice that a cloud front's moving in, or it's rainy, or someone's bringing just a stormy atmosphere, we have to be the sunshine and we have to make it better. We control the weather in our home. So tip number 1 is to be positive and excited. Tip number 2 is to plan. Now, I'm not saying that you need to have detailed hour by hour, minute by minute plan, but you do need to have a little bit of an idea of what you want to happen that day. So if you just need to jot down a few things or type it on your computer, whatever you need to do, you just want to be sure that you have an idea of what materials you need, what videos you want to watch, what books you need to read, and you want to make sure you have all of that, because that's going to make your day go so much smoother. Tip number 3 is to be flexible. We all can make great plans, but things happen. Kids get sick. You may have to leave the house and do something. We could have bad weather. Things happen all the time. So you got to be flexible and be willing to move those things around and know that you can get to them. You can move them to the next day. You can move them to later in the day. So be flexible with your homeschool. Tip number 4 is to keep it simple. Around here at Home Sweet Homeschool, we keep things as simple as we can. We still learn an awful lot, but we keep it simple. You do not have to do all the things. You don't have to do all the experiments, all the extracurricular activities, read all the books. You don't have to do that. Keep it simple and you will have a much easier day. And tip number 5 is probably the most important, and it's to have fun. Your kids are only this age they are right now. They're only this age once. You want to enjoy them. Have fun with them. Go ride bikes with them. Play outside with them. Play video games. Watch movies. Dance. Whatever it is. Even if you're sitting and doing schoolwork, have fun. So those are my 5 tips for a successful homeschool day. Share with me in the comments, what's one of your tips to have a successful homeschool day? Leave it down in the comments, because it may just help someone else who's watching. I want to thank Abby and Jessica for hosting this collaboration. Make sure you check out the other mamas in the playlist. And as always, thank you so much for watching.